Hey there, had your Chase card declined at a store or online? Don't panic. Fixing a declined transaction is usually a quick fix, often related to fraud alerts or simple limits. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to handle it. First, check for a text or email from Chase. They often send an immediate fraud alert asking you to confirm if a charge was yours. Replying, yes, typically clears the card for that merchant instantly. If you didn't get an alert, call the number on the back of your card. A representative can tell you why it was declined. It could be a travel notification you forgot to set, a merchant-specific block, or you've hit a daily spending limit. My crucial pro tip: set travel notifications and manage card controls in the app. Before a trip, use the Chase app to set a travel notice. You can also proactively adjust your spend limit for certain transaction types, like online purchases, if you're making an unusually large buy. That's how you minimize disruptions and keep your spending smooth. What usually causes a decline for you? Fraud alerts, travel, or hitting a limit? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on fixing financial hiccups, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.